Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about weekly crypto market update, and we will figure out is it still bearish trend, what's going on with the crypto world on the weekly time frame. Definitely we will review daily also. Let's move to trading view. Let's start from weekly performance. Weekly performance, market cap, crypto coins, crypto heat map. All cryptos, all red except few of them, just all red. Let's check daily performance. Daily performance same, all red, even just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just few of them. A lot of blood. Okay, let's move to charts and let's do review. Let's start weekly time frame. For swing trading, I'm using daily and 4 hours time frame for entry and exit position. For weekly, I don't trade on weekly time frame. It's good for investors, but I do monitor weekly and monthly time frame for market trend direction. And today is June 10, Saturday. Let's review crypto market. Bitcoin minus 3%. Very negative. Ethereum minus 5.5%. Bitcoin Cash minus 10.5%. Ethereum Classic minus 15.5%. ADA Cardano minus 18%. 18. Binance minus 9.5%. Very bloody Saturday. Very negative. And if you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let's start from. Let me briefly mention about my setup. Let me on daily time frame. Okay, my setup is I am using moving averages. White line it says SMA 200, yellow line it says EMA 20. Red line SMA 10 and green line SMA 5. Buy and sell script indicator, MACD indicator, green line bullish, red line bearish, white line signal line, Fibonacci, red bars, green bars, Fibonacci red bars bearish, green bars bullish, yellow line RSI line. That's all. Very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved, but if you follow the indicators do not have emotions, you will be successful. And my simple trading style, let me show you about that. Look at it. This bar moved above it was below yellow line. Then it moved above yellow line, right? And from that point, it was bullish crossover, and yellow line moved uptrend. It's a bullish trend. When bars above 20, it is bullish trend. When bars below 20, it is bearish trend. When MA 5 and 10 below 20, it is bearish trend. You see, like now, last bar below 5, 10 and 20, it is bearish trend. Okay, that's simple. Let's start weekly time frame. Look at that weekly time frame. MA 20 still below 200. I told you before that when 20 below 200, it is bearish territory. It's very weak territory. MA 5 and 10 both of them moved above 200. It was positive sign. But recently, like 5 weeks ago, we received sell signal. MA 5 did bearish crossover over 10. And ready to do bearish crossover over 200 even. And last week, yeah, this is recent week. Today is Saturday, week is almost done. The bar is moving below 200. Let me maximize it. You see the last bar, let me move to more. Last bar is getting below 200 and below 20. It is bearish trend. MACD red bearish, Fibonacci RSI below Fibonacci, all bearish. Bitcoin on weekly time frame, negative bearish trend. let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what's going on daily, right? Daily, it's a bearish trend because MA5 and 10 below 20, it is bearish trend. MACD red bearish below zero line, bearish territory. Fibonacci bearish and RSI below Fibonacci in the bearish territory below zero line. All bearish on daily time frame also. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours bearish, very bearish. Last 4 hours, very strong bearish trend. And on all indicators bearish, right? And RSI in the oversold territory. We'll see. It can bounce from it, from the oversold territory. 1 hour time frame, similar, very negative, very bearish. You see, it was very oversold, and it kind of last 2 hours, it did bounce from that oversold state. And it was disconnected from 20, it definitely wants to connect back to 20. That's all. Let's move to next crypto, Ethereum weekly time frame. Red bar this week. This week it's a minus 8% week. Sell signal, but we received just sell signal from the script. But for me, when MA5 did bearish crossover, it was sell signal. MA5 did bearish crossover like 4 weeks ago. And MACD did bearish crossover, red color and Fibonacci, all in a bearish trend on weekly time frame. Let's check daily for Ethereum. Ethereum daily bearish trend. Today is minus 5.5% already. This bar. It closed. The bar moved below MA5, 10 and 20. Bearish trend. MACD bearish, RSI, all indicators bearish. It started from this crossover, MA5 did bearish crossover. It started bearish crossover on June 4th. Bearish trend. On daily time frame, let's move to 4 hours time frame. Same bearish trend. MA5, 10 and 20 moved below 200. It is bearish territory. MACD bearish in the bearish territory, red color. And RSI in the oversold territory. It's kind of bullish divergence, you see. This price action downtrend, RSI bullish divergence, MACD bullish divergence. It means it will have some bounce from this oversold state. And remember, this level, it's very disconnected from 20. Very disconnected. 1 hour time frame, very disconnected, very far from 20. But remember, on RSI, it's very oversold. It can bounce quickly, or it can continue to stay in oversold territory for some time. Sometimes it's a V-shape bounce, sometimes it's a U-shape bounce, sometimes it can stay on the bottom. Bearish trend and very oversold on RSI. Bearish trend on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, no divergence. No positive divergence. On 4 hours, it has divergences, right? Let me show you on 4 hours how it works. From this level to this level, bearish trend, right? Price action bearish. But on MACD, it is bullish. And on RSI, it is bullish, still bullish, but it can be destroyed because if price action will continue to go down, it will move MACD and RSI and it will destroy this positive divergence. Okay, let's move to Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. Let's start Bitcoin Cash weekly time frame. Bitcoin Cash weekly time frame very weak because all moving averages below 200 and far from 200. It is very oversold. You see, it was 200 at the 300 level, 320. MA20 at around 120. Very oversold bearish trend. And now this bar minus 14.5%. Bearish trend on MACD, on RSI, on Fibonacci, all indicators in bearish state position. Let's move daily time frame. Just this bar, you see, it kind of recovered. It It's recently recovered from this level. It was even 90, now it's 99, 10% recovery. It was very, very oversold. Still minus 10. Okay, bearish crossover on MACD on RSI. RSI was on very oversold. Similar story on the daily time frame. It has some bearish divergence, kind of flat price action. You see it's flat, but yeah, price action is not flat. Price action is a bearish trend, right? But on the MACD, it has bullish divergence and bullish divergence on the RSI. That's why it moved. It wants to have some bounce. It wants to have some bounce. But still bearish trend on daily time frame. 4 hours time frame, it is bearish. It was like I told you, it bounced from 90 to 99. $10 bounce. But indicators didn't change at all. It was very huge disconnection from 20. Still huge disconnection from 20. It definitely wants to correct. 4 hours time frame, bearish. 1 hour time frame, still bearish. It makes some correction, but still bearish, still in oversold territory on RSI. Bearish trend. Let's move to Ethereum Classic weekly. Red week. This week is 22% minus. MA5, 10 and 20 below 200, negative territory below last bar, below all moving averages. This week you see it was positive 30%. This week is negative 22%. MACD red bearish, Heikanaichi red bearish, and RSI bearish territory. Bearish trend, it has some small positive divergence if you check like this one from this point, right? Price action is bearish and MACD is bullish, positive, and RSI positive. Kind of flat RSI, but compared to the price it's positive. Let's move to daily. Ethereum Classic weekly very bearish, right? Daily it is bearish. Its last bar very disconnected from 20. MACD bearish, RSI very oversold. 4 hours time frame for the Ethereum Classic, very bearish, very oversold on all indicators. Definitely disconnected from 20, it wants to connect back to 20. 1 hour time frame, same story, very oversold on all indicators. Cryptos on all time frames, very oversold. Now let's move to ADA Cardano. ADA Cardano very negative today. Weekly time frame, let's see what week. This week it's minus 36.25%, this bar. Minus 36.25% down. Very negative. It touched the same level from December 2022. It touched the same level. Interesting, but on the other side it's positive. It touched the same level, but it is positive on the other side. It wants to have some bounce. Definitely positive on the MACD. It wants to have bounce. It's kind of bear trap. Could be a bear trap. Weekly time frame negative on all indicators. I'm sorry, it was daily time frame, not weekly. No, weekly time frame, yeah, weekly time frame negative. Let's see daily. Daily it is very oversold on RSI, right, in the negative territory, very sold on MACD in the bearish territory, and last bar very far and disconnected from 20. Now all moving averages below 200, it's a bearish territory, but bearish trend in last bar disconnected from 20 on daily time frame. 4 hours time frame, same huge sale on the 4 hours time frame. Last bar disconnected from 20. MACD red, Heikanaichi very oversold, RSI very oversold. 1 hour time frame, similar, very oversold, very negative. You see, like I told you, when it's on the oversold territory, it can stay very long time in oversold territory. Yeah, very oversold on 1 hour time frame also. It's very oversold on all time frames. And Binance, let's see Binance. Let's see last bar, minus 22.5% weekly, huge red bar. Looks like it touched 200 and it will bounce. It's possible it can bounce. It can bounce from 200 because 200 strong support. We'll see. It did touch 200. We will see. Yeah, it touched 200 on weekly time frame. It should be very strong support. Should bounce from this point. MACD red, Heikanaichi, RSI all red on weekly time frame. Daily time frame for Binance, very negative. All moving averages did bearish crossover over 20 or 200, over 200. It is bearish trend. Last bar disconnected from 20. MACD, RSI very oversold condition at this 47 level. Very negative, very bearish on daily time frame for Binance. 4 hours time frame, similar, very bearish on all indicators, and RSI very oversold. Last bar far from 20. 1 hour time frame, similar bearish trend on bars. Last bar disconnected from 20. MACD bearish, RSI and Heikanaichi in very bearish territory. RSI very oversold, minus 46. Negative bearish trend. Let's do summary. Let's do summary on weekly time frame, right? It's a huge bloody week. Bloody week. Look at that. It's a minus 20. Binance minus 22.5%. Even today just minus 10. And all negative, all very negative and very oversold on all indicators. Very oversold on all indicators. It definitely will have some bounce. It should have some bounce because they all very oversold on RSI state. And remember, at the same time, they can stay in oversold territory for a long time also. But all crypto from my watch list on all time frames, it's bearish. On all time frames, it's bearish. Very negative. That's all. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only, and remember, for educational purpose we are using paper trading account, no real money. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe for our YouTube channel. Click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.